All right, let's talk about the weather because that's one of the good things in the news tonight. What a nice day.
I know,
March,
a beautiful day. It's almost spring-like, though it isn't officially spring. It is meteorological spring. Is that right? See, I listen to you, Mr. Petelin.
We meteorologists have
listen to Ray.
Have our own ways to do it. It's it's when we start to experience spring-like weather. It usually happens before the season actually starts, but the season is the astronomical spring? I'm trying to remember. So there's astronomical, which is based on the position of the sun
star,
and the
celestial objects.
The sun's angle, yes. And then we have meteorological spring, which is when it starts to act like the season.
Okay, so it is spring or it isn't? Kind of lost here.
Well,
it's meteorological spring.
I'm a meteorologist, so if you ask me.
Because you go by 3 months, right? Like
3-month chunks.
March, April, May.
We're easy that way.
Okay.
So
I like yours a lot better.
I know.
Let's do it your way.
The meteorologists don't make you change your clocks either. So we have that going for us as well. Now we have some rain though, and some of this is on the heavy side. You come out of the Youngstown Boardman area and stretch down 422. It picks up in intensity, and right over Lake Arthur, that little red dot there is an indication of some pretty hefty rainfall. So if you know anyone traveling up that way, 422 to almost I-80, they're probably going to be a little slower than usual getting home from work or after school activities. Now, we do have that rain that's slowly been just sagging to the south, and it's been taking its good old time. So we'll eventually get a couple of these showers trying to push into Pittsburgh, but I think when they do get here, they'll be mainly light for the city. And you can see the back edge of this is starting to break up, so that's a good sign with that as well. When it comes to temperatures, they are all over the place. We have the 30s, the 40s, the 50s, and 60s just on this map. So Franklin's at 39, Morgantown's at 60, and everyone in between falls in between those two numbers. And when it comes to where we're seeing the cooler numbers, that's also where we're getting the rain. So our best shots for rain are where we're seeing the cooler temperatures right now. We have the clouds in Pittsburgh and a shake to the camera, so it is a bit gusty this evening and will continue to be. Temperature-wise, we'll fall down into the mid-30s early tomorrow, but we're getting right back into the lower 50s for high temperatures tomorrow. So it's going to be one of those days very similar to today with some late precipitation trying to come in. And when I say late precipitation, this could come in the form of rain and snow. So here's what we're dealing with now. You can see how this settles out of here over the next couple of hours. And by the time we're at midnight, 1 a.m., we're back to just mainly cloudy skies. So much of the night is going to be dry. Tomorrow, we get up in the morning, peaks of sunshine. Those clouds come back into play, though, and late. This is 6 to 8 p.m. You can see the precipitation starting to show up to the north. Then it sags down our way tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. And the top edge of this is showing up as snow. The bottom is rain. So there is that mixture, that rain-snow mix that we're going to be looking for when this comes into play late tomorrow night into the early part of Thursday. Thursday, I think we dry it up, but it will be notably colder, and then we'll take a couple days, but we'll get right back into the warm stuff for the weekend. Tonight, though, 35, mostly cloudy, early showers, and those winds will start to ease up a little bit. They'll become more 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the west. Come tomorrow, 53 degrees, clouds and a little bit of sunshine mixed in there. And it's not until pretty much after sunset that we're looking for the rain and the snow to start up. But up to some of our northern communities up along I-80, a couple of those raindrops or snowflakes might arrive a little early. So some peaks of sunshine, but more clouds than anything else, and another day with temperatures well above average as we see our highs back into the lower 50s. You're talking upper 30s, though, for Thursday, so a big temperature swing between those 2 days. And then once we get into the later parts of this week, we'll start to see those temperatures coming back up, and then the warm stuff for the weekend. Saturday, 62 degrees. Chances for rain are minimal there, so that's the best of the 2 weekend days. Sunday, looking pretty soggy as well as Monday, but those are our 2 warmest days of the whole entire forecast, so a little unfortunate timing with those showers. Still cloudy and 45 for Tuesday of next week.